Welcome back to another Tech Tip by Appliance video. Today we're going to take a look at, is your range not cooking properly due to the cookware you're using? Be sure to visit appliancevideo.com, where you will find thousands of videos on the latest technology. For a limited time, you could save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all our premium benefits. Appliancevideo.com. Do it right the first time. Now, it's never fun if you're trying to heat something up and it's taking a long time. You think your range has an issue, but it could actually be the cookware that you're using. Regardless, if you're using an electric range or gas range, cooking utensils are critical to performance. The most common cookware used are stainless steel, aluminium, porcelain, cast iron, and glass. Stainless steel, if used alone, is a heat conductor. In most cases, copper is often found on the bottom or used in the inner core between the two layers of the stainless to improve conductivity. Aluminium is also an excellent heat conductor and sometimes used at the bottom of other materials for cooking. Porcelain is a glass-like substance fused into metal. The heating characteristics are dependent on the base metal, rated on the low side for conductivity. Cast iron is a good heat conductor, but it's very slow to heat up. However, it does cook very evenly once the temperature is reached. Glass pots and pans are a very slow conductor of heat and are often not recommended to be used for cooking. Poor conductivity of a pan or material directly affects how evenly and quickly heat is transferred from one heat source to the pan itself. Regardless of the material, you will also want to make sure that your pans are in great condition. Uneven, warped, or grooved pan bottoms prevent the pan from working effectively, especially on glass or ceramic cooking surfaces. The size of the pan is also important. Oversized pans should not extend more than 1 inch behind the cooking area on glass or ceramic surfaces. Hey, if this video helped you, like the video and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next one.